Have you tried this healthy salad with over 160 grams of protein? Dice 800 grams chicken breast into small cubes and place them in a bowl. Add soy sauce, pomegranate syrup, olive oil, salt, paprika, and pepper. Mix well. Then cook in a pan over medium heat. Chop lettuce into smaller pieces and dice the tomatoes. Peel and chop the cucumber. Combine everything in a bowl. Then add corn and the cooked chicken. In a separate bowl, mix Greek yogurt, juice from half a lemon, dried basil, and salt. Stir your dressing well. Pour it over the salad, mix everything together, and enjoy your meal.